Now that we've completed our bump and avoid robot, we're going to go ahead and start a brand new program for it. We are going to label it Ultrasonic Bump Avoid. Go ahead and hit go. There are a couple ways that we can program our robot to avoid an obstacle. I'm going to teach you the most simple. It starts with this thing called a loop. We'll select the loop and drag it up here. By default, the loop is set to forever. We're going to set it to sensor. And then we're going to change the sensor to ultrasonic sensor. Next, we're going to change it from inches to centimeters, and we're going to change the centimeters all the way down to about 10 or 12 centimeters. We'll add a move block inside of that loop, and that move block will be set to unlimited rotations. Again, like always, we slow the move block down to about 50% power. So what this program is telling the robot to do is it says, start the program, do anything inside of this loop until this condition right here is satisfied. The condition is stated on port 4, the ultrasonic sensor will see something 12 centimeters away. So we're telling the robot currently to go forward until you see something 12 centimeters away. Once we see something 12 centimeters away, we want to back up one rotation, and again we slow it down to about 50% power, and then we want it to turn. We want it to turn hard right, maybe half of a rotation. And again, like always, we slow the speed down to about 50% power. So what we're telling the robot to do is go forward, unlimited rotations until you see something. Once you see something that close, back up and then turn to the right. Let's go ahead and download this program. A lot of times you'll want your program to do the same thing over and over and over again. You'll notice as you tested this program, your robot only went forward, stopped at one object, backed up, and turned. It didn't continue doing the same thing over and over again. If we want our program to repeat the same thing over and over again, we need to use a loop again. So what we'll do is we'll actually add this whole program into a loop. What you'll notice is this loop that we installed everything into defaults to forever. So what I'm telling the robot to do is I'm telling it to start and do anything inside of this loop forever. So go forward until you see something, back up and turn. Go back. Go forward, back up and turn. And so on and so on.